Hi, my name is Lesley Jennison and I'm the Global Colour Ambassador for Schwarzkopf Professional, and I'm here to introduce you to the brand new IGORA ROYAL HIGHLIFTS. The IGORA ROYAL new HIGHLIFTS still contain the fibre bond technology, but now we also have this TRUELIFT Complex. Amazing technologies combined together. Now this innovative TRUELIFT Complex gives us an improved lifting performance. So along with this TRUELIFT Complex, we have this optimized combination of colour pigments, which give us the cleanest, truest, superior blondes. We still have the 10 series, which is for a level 7 and up, and we still have a 12 series for a level 6 and up. We have some new tonal directions as well, which I'd like to show you.